Today I'm really excited to show you what I did with those granny square hearts. I made a little set of coasters like this. And they make such a cute little set. I'm so happy with how they turned out. And I am working with some recycled cotton and polyester blend yarn that is size 4 medium weight. So you can use any size 4 yarn that you have. And I'm also going to be using a size G or 6 or 4 1/4 of a millimeter crochet hook. And there is a precursor to this tutorial, and that is my how to crochet granny square hearts, and I will link to that in the description for you. And you're going to want to crochet 2 hearts of all 4 sizes if you want to make this set. So I'm going to begin by tying together my starting tails for both hearts. And that does 2 things. That secures the center, and it also secures the magic circles at the center of your hearts. Then we're going to tie our 2 ending tails together. And once you tie your tails together, go ahead and cut them off so that they're about 1 inch to 2 inches long. And from here, we want to start in the center of our hearts right here at the top. And you can see this is where we tied off our yarn, so we want to dive into the stitch next to that. And then on our other heart, we want to do the same thing. And we want to try to find that center point on both sides of our heart. And this does not have to be perfect. And once you have your crochet hook entered into the smallest point on both hearts, then I want you to yarn over and pull through with your other color of yarn. And you just want to leave this tail hanging out here. From here, you're going to slide your crochet hook up underneath the next stitch on both hearts, like this. Then you're going to yarn over and pull through both stitches, as well as that loop on your crochet hook for a slip stitch. And from here, we're just going to repeat that process in each of these stitches, going all the way around our heart, joining these 2 edges with our slip stitches. And once you have worked all the way around your heart, then what we're going to do is slide our crochet hook in the first holes where we worked our original first slip stitch here. Then we're going to cut our yarn, which I already did but accidentally didn't film. And we're going to yarn over and pull this yarn through our original hole. And I'm sorry that this is so tight, but it always is. And then we want to pull it through the loop on our crochet hook like this. From here, we're going to pull our tail all the way through to tie it off. And then our last step is to insert our crochet hook from the back of our project like this. Again, in those original holes, and we're going to draw our tail to the back here. From here, I want you to tie these 2 tails together twice, and then we're going to draw the tails to the inner layer of our coaster to hide them. And so now this is the back of your heart and this is the front of your heart. And you're just going to repeat these steps in whatever sizes you want. I personally like to have them like this so you can see all 4 sizes. And this is great for a coffee table or anything like that. Please let me know in the comments below if you ended up making these coasters. I always love to hear about your crochet adventures. Thank you so much for working with me, and I hope you have a wonderful, awesome day and a safe and happy Valentine's Day.